Hello, gentlemen and gentlewomen, boys and girls. It's Professor William back for week number 4. And today we're going to do Unit 3. It's called Viewpoints. And let's take a look at what we're going to look at this unit. In grammar, we're going to learn the gerund. Verb plus ing. Vocabulary, verbs that take the gerund-dependent prepositions. What does that mean? Well, we'll soon find out. So let's start off with the conversation.
Unit 3, page 16, conversation.
Phew, I'm glad that's over. I can't stand taking exams.
Yeah, me neither.
I thought it was really hard. How about you?
Yeah, sure. It was hard, but I have a good feeling about the grade.
Really? You hardly did any work all semester. I don't know why you're so confident.
Let's just say that I had some help, if you know what I mean.
What? You cheated?
I prefer to think I helped myself. Look, I took these notes in with me.
That's terrible. Cheating is wrong.
Oh, come on. I'm really bad at taking exams. I needed some help.
Well, I think it's wrong. I spent weeks studying. It's not fair.
Uh-oh. Mr. Wilson's over there. I think he's looking at me.
Do you think he saw your notes?
Oh, no.
Okay, so if you have a partner there with you, you can practice that conversation. And let's take a look at the language box on the previous page.
Unit 3, page 16, language box.
I can't stand taking exams. Cheating is wrong. I spent weeks studying. I'm really bad at taking exams.
Okay, so if you look at these bold words, they all take the form of verb plus ing. That's called a gerund. So let's go to page 104. Learn more about gerunds. As you see, the gerund takes the form verb ing. Cheating, drinking, eating. We use it in several ways. We can use it as the subject. The subject usually comes in the beginning. Cheating on exams is wrong. Drinking a lot of water is healthy. As the object comes after the verb, the main verb. So in this sentence, the verb is think, the subject is I, and the object is here, watching TV. And here, the verb is agree. Experts is the subject. And eating is the object. And we can also use it after certain verbs of liking and disliking. I can't stand. Can't stand means I really hate. I really hate getting up early. I really enjoy shopping. And finally, we can use it after prepositions. Remember, preposition is a word that tells us where. So at, of, where, or placement. So I'm terrible at cooking. C comes after at, which is the preposition. Frightened of flying. Of is the preposition. Okay, so let's go practice on the next part. First, underline the gerund and then write the correct letter for where it comes. You can stop the video, do the work, and turn it back on. Okay, let's look at the answers. 1, hiking, and B, it's an object. Okay, there's only one D, and the preposition is at. And there are a few C's. Can't stand, remember, is really hate. Oh, there's another D. In is the preposition. And here's another C. Enjoys. Enjoys means I really like something. I enjoy it. Makes me feel good. And let's go to the next part. Complete the sentence with a gerund. Go ahead and stop the video and come back and let's look at the answers. Okay, that was a little fast. I'll go through it again really slowly. Are you good at cooking? Are you good at cooking? We don't enjoy flying. Dream of being a firefighter. And I hate getting. Okay. Let's go back to the unit. Vocabulary. Read these opinions and underline the verbs that take the gerund. Now you have to be careful here. They don't want you to underline the gerund. They want you to underline the verb in front of the gerund that takes the gerund. So, for example, I'll do Yuri. Yuri says, I'm terrified of flying. So we underline, I am terrified of. And the gerund is flying. Okay? And you would also underline miss. Miss comes before seeing. Risk comes before dying. So go ahead and do all of those and then I'll show you the answer. Okay, the next one. Okay, did you get that? Oops. And this one, Leon, just like the movie. Okay. And the last one is Devin. Okay, did you get those? You probably did. It's not too hard. Choose 5 verbs and make true sentences about you. For example, she says, I'm terrified of going to the dentist. She used terrified. Okay, so make 1 or 2 for you. For example, I dreamed of being a firefighter when I was young. Okay. How about you? Let's go to the next part. Before you listen, complete the conversation using the gerund. So try to do it first before I play the video. Okay, let's listen.
Unit 3, page 17, real life exchange.
If you ask me, having satellite TV is a waste of money.
I agree. I only keep on paying for it because of the movies.
I'm not interested in watching movies on TV. I love going to the movie theater.
Oh, I can't stand sitting in the middle of a lot of noisy people.
Really? I don't agree. I think that's all part of the fun.
Okay, so you can listen to that again if you want. And the answers were... Oh, we missed that one over there. And that one. Okay. Let's move down. We have a lot of questions here and phrases. So you can group these under asking for opinions, giving your opinions, agreeing, and disagreeing. So first read all of those. You can put a 1 for this one, a 2, a 3, and a 4. Take a little time, do that. Okay, let's look at the answers. Oops. Well, they don't show you the answer. So what do you think do you agree is? Asking for opinions. What about I agree? Agreeing. That's an easy one. I think. Giving your opinion. Okay, so try to do all of those. Let's listen and check. Oh, they're going to tell us the answer.
Unit 3, page 17, strategy. Asking for opinions.
What do you think? Do you agree? Do you think that...
Giving opinions.
I think, in my opinion, if you ask me,
Agreeing.
I agree. Yes, maybe you're right. I think you're right.
Disagreeing.
Sorry, I don't agree. No, definitely not. I think you're wrong.
Okay, did you get those? Do your best. And to finish it off for today, let's head over to page 122 for pronunciation. So today we're going to learn about intonation in questions. You see, in the end of these questions, sometimes it goes up. Do you agree? Sometimes it goes down. What's your opinion? So let's take a listen.
Unit 3, page 122, pronunciation.
Do you agree? Do you think that flying is dangerous? Do you like skiing? What's your opinion? Where do you think is a good place to live? What do you think of baseball?
Okay, so you see that for yes/no questions, it has a rising intonation. That means you can answer with yes or no. Do you agree? No. Do you think flying is dangerous? Yes. Do you like skiing? No. WH questions have a falling. You need more than yes or no for WH. What do you think of baseball? I think baseball is very interesting. Okay. So listen to that a few times. Practice your intonation. And I'll stop there for today. So I'll see you next week. Goodbye.